Stylist is the perfect sewing machine for every skill level of sewing. Start your sewing projects in a snap with easy machine threading and automatic needle threading. You'll love the easy-to-load top drop-in bobbin and the clear cover, which allows you to monitor the thread supply. Sewing with the Singer Stylist is smooth and easy, whether you're using utility stitches, decorative stitches, or stretch stitches. And it's loaded with over 100 stitch patterns. Selecting a stitch is easy with this electronic machine. The perfect stitch width and length are automatically selected for you. Buttonhole sewing has never been easier. With 6 built-in designs, you'll find the best fit for your project. The auto tie-off function reinforces straight seams and ties off decorative stitches with the touch of a button. For added convenience and comfort, this machine can sew without the use of a foot controller, and you have complete control of the speed of the machine without the foot controller. The programmable needle up-down is great for quilters and a must-have for precision applique work. The darning and embroidery foot is great for projects like free motion sewing. The zipper foot has multiple functions. Whether you're fashion or home tech sewing, use the zipper foot to easily insert zippers and piping. Singer's signature heavy-duty aluminum frame means the internal rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. Singer is sewing made easy.
There comes a time when every sewer wants to elevate her creations. And when that time comes, it's time to add a serger to your sewing room. Brother offers its best and most affordable serger yet in the 1034D. Ideal for creating ruffles and sewing decorative and finishing stitches on linens, formal wear, and stretchy fabric, this 3/4 serger delivers an impressive range of features often found on much more expensive models. First, the 1034D is very easy to thread. The machine has easy-to-follow lay-in threading and a powerful tension disc release which helps assure accurate thread placement in the tension discs. And the fast lower looper threading system couldn't be easier. It's color-coded and designed to make sure the thread stays right in place. Customers who have the 1034D rave about the differential feed too. The feed helps improve results when sewing stretchy, knitted, or thin fabrics, and also helps prevent the wavy or stretched appearance of stitches on fabrics that lower quality sergers may deliver. You can use a 1034D on virtually all types of weights of fabric, including silk and denim. Unlike some sergers, the 1034D has a removable free arm, which is a big help when you're serging cylindrical items like pant legs, as well as a retractable knife, which helps prevent accidentally cutting your fabric when working close to the edges of rolled hems. The 1034D also comes with a full range of accessories, including a number of snap-on presser feet which are easy to change. Watch as the feet snap on with ease. Nothing could be simpler. Perfection in your sewing comes at a price, an affordable one, with the 1034D. To learn more, visit
Introducing the Brother SE600, the 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery machine designed to fuel your creative projects for years to come. Get more control with the So Smart Color LCD touchscreen display. Easily position your embroidery designs with just a touch of your finger. Preview thread color changes and immediately see the results on screen before stitching. Get more space to view your designs and perform on-screen edits. And get started quickly with built-in tutorials that provide on-screen sewing assistance. Jumpstart your embroidery projects with 80 high-quality built-in embroidery designs, including new applique designs and 6 built-in embroidery fonts, plus access to iBroidery.com, where you'll find thousands of ready-to-use designs, and all of them can be easily imported using the onboard USB port. Think big with an even larger workspace. Explore endless creative options with 103 built-in sewing stitches, including 10 styles of buttonholes, 7 sewing feet for zigzag, monogramming, overcasting, zippers, and more. Plus advanced features like an automatic needle threading, variable speed control, and programmable needle up-down. So bring your creative sewing and embroidery visions to life with the Brother SE600 2-in-1 sewing and embroidery.
Start sewing right away with the easy-to-use Brother XM2701. It's perfect for beginners or for more advanced sewers looking for a great portable machine. The 27 built-in stitches include stitches for everyday sewing, blind hems, quilting, and decorative stitches. Selecting your stitch is as easy as turning a dial, and the one-step buttonhole is automatically sized to fit your buttons. You also get 6 quick change sewing feet, a tremendous value. It's incredibly easy to change between feet. With just a touch of a lever, your needle is threaded for you. With the quick set top drop-in bobbin, there's no need to pull the thread up before use. And it's easy to see when you're low on thread. The LEDs give you a super bright work area to see details. Plus, you'll love how easy the instructions are to follow. Enjoy all the great built-in features, including accessories and Brother support, with the reliable, easy to learn and use XM2701.
Wide variety of sewing projects with Singer's heavy-duty sewing machine. At 1,100 stitches per minute, this machine sews faster than standard sewing machines. The heavy-duty motor allows this machine to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease. From silk to cotton to denim, the Singer heavy-duty sewing machine can handle it all. Fabrics effortlessly slide across the machine arm with the built-in stainless steel metal plate. Singer's signature heavy-duty aluminum frame means the internal rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. After easily threading the machine, you'll be ready to sew in no time with the automatic needle threader. And when you're ready to sew a buttonhole, just insert a button into the foot, and away you go with the fully automatic one-step buttonhole. Attach buttons in just seconds with the button sewing foot. With nearly 24 basic, stretch, and decorative stitches, this machine is perfect for home dec, crafts, fashion sewing, and more. Singer is sewing made easy.